Hi, this is Arjun of Emerson Consulting at Coimbatore. We help students go to top international graduate schools and undergraduate schools for BS, MS, MBA, and medical residency programs. We also give coaching for GRE, GMAT, IELTS, TOEFL, and SAT, as well as provide visa consultation services. So the purpose of this video is, we would like to, we'll see how to improve your chances of getting the American student visa, that is F1 visa. So you got into a school, the school has issued an I-20. And as an international student, you need to present yourself in front of the consul and convince them like why you opted this course. Okay, so interview is an essential component. If you're able to please the consul, you get the visa. So that's how it works. There are a few things that you should do and you should not do to succeed in the interview. Okay, we've been successful maybe 99% of the times in securing the American visa, and I'm just telling you the wisdom that we acquired over years. The first thing is the preparation. Okay, the questions on during the interview would be like the purpose. The consul might be asking like why you opted this course, why you opted this particular major, and what was interesting about this institution, and what kind of research themes are appealing to you. Did you talk to some of the professors there? So it's all about it's very much centered around the purpose of pursuing this course, and how this course is going to help you succeed in the subsequent later profession. Okay, your short-term goals and your long-term goals. So when I mean preparation, it means that you have answers for these. Okay, so it's not a big deal to understand to know about these things, because all you need to do is go to the respective institution's website, the department website, and know about the program, the curriculum, the professors, the research themes. Okay, so this is what you should do. If you're not able to, if you do not have a specific answers for these questions and give a generic answers, then the consul thinks that you're not a serious student. Okay, so first is preparation. The second part is, you might be in WhatsApp group, you might be in Telegram group. Okay, and people might be giving common responses to some of the questions. Okay, and if you just word by word, you memorize those things, responses. The problem with that is that many of the people might be following the same thing, following the same template, and when many give the same kinds of responses, the consul thinks that the responses that you have given do not come from your heart. Okay, so prepare, try to independently express what you have in mind. Okay, don't copy the exact phraseology of others. Okay, so don't give it templated, don't give it cliched answers. Cliched answers like the same repetitive answers others might be using. Okay, so remember the theme and express in your own words, in your own language. So that's the second part. And the third thing is that remember this. Some people think that if you wanted to succeed in the American visa interview, you need to use an American accent. Okay, it is not necessary for you to use an American accent to convince the consul. Even he least expects this first. If you've already been in the US and you pick the American accent, that becomes a natural part of you. And if you use the language, it sounds very natural. Whereas if you're going to pick the American language the accent in a very short span of time, it'll sound pretentious. Okay, the consul wants from you the reason behind your decision of pursuing masters. Okay, which is said in a very confident and clear manner. That is all they expect from you, not the American accent. Okay, and one more thing is when people say that they wanted to be an entrepreneur, like when a question is asked like what do you want to do short term, or what are you going to do maybe even for the short term, people say that they want to be an entrepreneur right after the masters or bachelors. If you give an answer like this, ensure that you have a proper backing for the statement. Okay, because it generally when you say that you want to be an entrepreneur right after your masters or bachelors, it doesn't sound credible, it doesn't sound believable. Okay, but some people might have this notion. If that is the case, then you should have like what kind of startup you would be starting and what kind of industry, and have an answer for that too. Okay, remember this: the consul is there, the American consul is there to give you visa, as long as you're able to hold conversation with them and you're a legitimate aspirant. Okay, if you do these things, you're going to be successful. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you.